Hi, my name's Nicole, and I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from one of our ATM machines. First, hit the Withdraw Cash button. Then, select an amount or hit Other to manually enter your amount with the up and down buttons. On your Bitcoin wallet, press the Scan button at the bottom of the screen. Hold your phone up to scan the code on the Bitcoin machine. Swipe at the bottom of your screen to send the Bitcoin. The ATM will print you a receipt with a redemption code. This redemption code will not expire until you've received your cash. The redemption code should become active within 10 minutes to an hour. However, if it takes longer than this, please give us a call. To receive your cash, hit the Redeem button on the screen. Enter the redemption code into the PIN pad. Press Finish Withdrawal, and your cash will dispense at the bottom of the machine. The machine will then print you a receipt.